Welcome back. Now, sometimes it can be kind of confusing about what apps are going to work on your Chromebook, what games, because you would hate to go to the Play Store and then see that dreadful message of does not work on this device. So, something has been coming. Now, technically, it's not here yet. It is probably going to come in, we're on, as I'm recording this, I'm on Chrome OS 125. I believe this officially comes out 126, unless they push back again. But it's called the App Mall. The App Mall is basically taking uh, and from the Android Play Store and PWAs, which are progressive web apps, and kind of put them in one place, which should work for your Chromebook. Now, I'm going to first, I'll show you what the mall looks like. So, mall looks like. So, this is the mall, and it has several different functions. There's games here, there's entertainment apps here, there's creative apps here. Um, but this is hidden behind a flag. So, I'll show you how to do that real quickly. Now, in order to get here, you're going to put Chrome semicolon // flags. And in order to find it, I just gonna type in mall. And it's the first thing to come up. Chrome OS app mall. I already have mine enabled. So you will enable this, restart your device, and you'll get this at the bottom. This is a web app. So here is all it is a web page. You see here the top right, not top right corner exactly, but kind of address bar says open an app. Uh, that's a PWA. That's not an Android app. You're not going to go to the Play Store. What's going to happen is once you enable this, you should get this app at the bottom. You can pin this, or it'll be in your app drawer. Believe yes, it's right here. Get apps or more. And if you open this, it's the same thing. It's the same thing, except it's kind of a standalone web page. So that's a PWA. Now, single file is just going to be strip it down, but if we expand it, then you get the two view, and you can divide this up. So if I want games, these are the games that have been optimized for my Chromebook. Now I want to say that these are not all the games that that you can play in your Chromebook. There are some games I think here are kind of missing, but then again, this is beta and this isn't fully rolled out, so they could still be added to this list. It does look bigger than it was last time. So these, let's say, was casual. Okay, role playing, Racial Legends all around. Strategy. What do we got here? I already kind now. These are going to be apps, of course. These apps are Android apps, Clash of Clans. These are going to work well on your Chromebook. So you don't have to worry. I remember I did demo the Dead Cells on this channel. Still a really good game. Um, yes. Now these are all going to be Android app. Well, spoke too soon. Down here there is the streaming service, Boosteroid Cloud Gaming, and I want to bring you to this function. Now, there you go. If an app has two locations, you will have the choice from installing it from those locations. So we hear Boosteroid can be installed as a PWA from the web, or it can be installed from the Play Store. Now, this recommended, I watched another YouTuber. I originally thought that this is coming from Google, and now I'm not sure. So there is a recommended which one to go for. Now, if I click here, again, I'm not sure which one, where's that recommendation coming from. I can tell you which one is really better or not. There's one I disagree with. You can get, for example, the Spotify app. You can either get the PWA or you can have the Android version on your Chromebook. Personally, I use the PWA most of the time. And again, here are more games. And we go back to apps. Again, not a lot of video editors per se, but let's say clip, let's see, clip champ. This is the browser version. I'm trying, okay, there we go. So this PWA can be installed, and this is not going to take me to another store. This is going to install the PWA directly on my Chromebook from right here, and I like that. You don't have to go up to this website, then download PWA. I could just click install, and that app is now on my Chrome. Now I had a subscription already, maybe thinking it's free tier, and so this is going to be a video editing app. I won't do it in this video, but I think I might give this a try. Yes, give it a try. So we'll close that out for now. So you got Disney apps. Again, you got two choices. That's another one you can install either from the Play Store or from the web. Now, why would you want one over the other? Some, like apps, don't support like 4K or doesn't support a higher definition of video content. Something that they should really fix. It's understandable at first because those apps were going to be played on mobile phones, maybe tablets, but now we have good screens now. And now again, I am having this on my full, computer monitor. So for some of those apps, you may want to use the web version to get the higher quality of video content. Again, here is Spotify, and you get both options: the Play Store or the install for the web. So the only thing this does not have that I was hoping it would have is Linux support, because there are full desktop versions that this app does not show you. I do get that that's going to be more on hardware, stronger hardware. But then again, I think it'll still be okay. Uh, Steam is not even on here, and that's available for a lot of Chromebooks now. Um, Hopefully, it will be added. But again, I get that they want these things to just work for everyone, and some of those apps won't work for a lot of people. I know with the Steam installer, you need to have, I believe, a 12th gen Intel chip, Core i3 and up, or AMD Ryzen. We covered that on the Steam video. But still, I would appreciate the inclusion here and just hit the recommendations. I do kind of get why the Linux store or Linux apps are not here. I wish it was different. I understand it. And hopefully in the future it could be added, because I think those components do kind of balance out the OS. But for most people, what is offered here is going to be more than adequate. All right, Simon's Pro. Sorry, the end of this video, the file got corrupted. What I was going to say is, if you like this content, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time. Take care.